Grand Rising family, Grand Rising. Black Phoenix checking in. This Rising family, I'm up at the gas station doing a little gas station therapy. I know it's been a minute since I brought that topic up, but I think it's good for us to sit back sometime and just reflect on certain things to really put life into perspective. And I was just thinking about how sometimes the system will make you feel you need things that you really don't need. And you try to fit in certain situations where you really don't need to fit in. You need to just wait it out. And I was thinking about something about my big bro that we just buried over the weekend. He said something to my niece, and I just been thinking about it because sometimes, family, we'll try to go buy something or we'll try to do something and think like this thing that we get or this certain image that we portray is going to make us feel good about the void that's inside of us, because we ain't never really working on the void, the character. We got to work on the character, family, because the things are like leaves. You know what I mean? They're not the root problem. So I think a lot of times, family, when we get ready to go make big purchases and buy things and invest in things, slow down and just think. Is it something that you really, really need? Or is it just a want to kind of stroke your ego or make you feel good or make you get a certain look from a people when they see you like, oh yeah, she got that. Oh yeah, he got this. Oh yeah, I see how he riding. I see, oh yeah, I see what he dressing like. You know, so sometimes, fam, we just got to put life in its proper perspective, fam. And if you can't buy it twice, you know, Big Bro said, whatever you want, if you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it, fam. So get your money up, fam, invest. And once you get your money up, that same thing that you just couldn't wait to have, see if you really want it then. You might have a different change of heart. Hog on.